kitchen. Hello everyone, today we are making matcha pudding. Now this is personally one of my favorites, not necessarily in the video, but just as something to eat because it's a nice little snack and I really like matcha, like a lot. That's why my dad had the idea to do this. He was gonna make a pudding, but while I was sick one time, and then instead he made a matcha pudding because he knows I love it so much. It's quite quick and simple, and if you're one of those people who has been begging me to get this up, this one's for you. So when you're doing this, you just want to, if you get scared while you're whisking it, or, well, technically while you're cooking it, just so you know, it does thicken up. That's why it's a pudding. It thickens up like a custard, and you want that, because otherwise you just have matcha, which I'm not gonna lie, matcha is great. That's why we're doing this. So you're gonna want to let it thicken up. You can technically do any flavor you want. You don't have to just do matcha. Like you could do lemon, coconut, vanilla, but this is a matcha pudding video. Once you are actually pouring this, I realized it's very messy. As you can see, I am spilling a lot and it's bugging me. But my dad does it much better. You kind of push it to the side and let it drizzle down. When it's very messy, we have these, and then one for my lunch. It takes a couple hours to set in the fridge. Now they're ready to eat. This is very exciting for me. Yum, 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 yum. The reason there's a goat there is because obviously I'm the goat. Just no questions asked. I'm just the goat. Alright, bon appetit. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.